I didn't know what to say. There was no script. There was nothing. I just wanted it. I'm going to ask the richest person in the room for money because the worst they can say is no. And Myron Golden happened to be speaking at that event. So I said, you know what? Do it, David. Do it. Do it. Do it. So I got up, I walked over and I said, okay, man, you got 2 questions. You're going to ask him 2 questions. I walked over and Myron saw me like struggling at the event, like trying to figure out and like make all the numbers work. And he said, hey, David, how are you doing? And I said, hey, Myron, I got a question for you. He said, okay, sure. And I said, if you give me $2,000 to join this mastermind, can I pay you back $3,000? And I saw the look on his face and he just went, no, man, no, like I'm not going to do that. I'm like, okay, great. I got to the no quickly. That's what I expected. But what I really wanted the answer to was the second question. And that question was, if you were in my situation, what would you do to get the $2,000? And that was almost like the question he was waiting for because his face lit up and he went, okay, David, here's what you do. You find somebody at this conference who is richer than you, who has a business, and you get them to invest in you. That's it. And you give them a percentage of your company. And I went, okay. And he said, yeah, I gave a percentage of my company away to some guy and like for X amount of dollars. And now he's rolling in it. So that's what you do. And I went, okay, cool. And I almost like jetted off and he went, David. And I went, yeah. He said, I believe in you. And I went, thank you. So I ran and I'm like, okay, cool. I think I have 3 people in mind that I can pull this off. One of them I had recently met. I only met him twice in my life before, but I thanked him. I made a good impression on him. Like I Dream 100 him hard, like hard. And I went up to him before he was talking at the event and I pitched him and I said, hey, like I didn't know what to say. There was no script. There was nothing. I just wanted it.